Hey guys, welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make great thumbnails. So all we need is a background photo and a logo. So we're going to start with the background photo. All we do here is zoom it in, go to color tab and choose a good LUT. That one looks good right there. Now, just make it a little darker, about like that. So sometimes you can use a blur to that you can see the text better, but I think it looks better without on this picture, so I'm just gonna leave it. Then next, we're going to go to Effects and take in a Fusion composition, click on it, and go to the Fusion tab. Now, Shift Space and type in background and press Add. Okay, now go on color and make the background white. Okay, you can't see anything. That is because you didn't connect your background with your media output, and now you can see everything. Next, we're going to click on our background and press Shift Space and add a rectangle. We're going to need 4 rectangles, so just repeat. Oh, that's enough. So you don't have to do this, but I'm going to do that you can see everything. Then go on rectangle 1 and scroll up the height and move it to the side. Then go in width and make the line about like that big. Do this now to rectangle 2, push up the height and pull it over to the side. And then rectangle 3. Now push up the width. Yeah, I can leave it like that. And rectangle 4. Also make the width bigger and pull it down. Then just make the height smaller. And bam. Now we have a rectangle, and pull it onto your photo or background photo. Now to the title. Just take a normal text node. Just gonna make this smaller. And then I'm going to type in make a cool A. And then I'm going to leave 2 spaces and type in thumbnail. Why? I'm going to show you now. I'm using Open Sans. I'm going to make it bold, just like that, and pull it over. Now make it bigger. Make it bigger. A little smaller. Then take another text and write cool, or I'm going to write cool, you write what you want to write. And I'm going to take a different color, something like that. Make this size bigger and pull it over. Now I'm just going to make it even bigger, about like that. Then go in your background photo and go in color tab, go in your nodes, so up here, right click, add alpha output, and then link these two. Now we're going to press on this and press on that, and then just make a circle around your cool thumbnail. Then press on invert. Not press on invert. Then make the software so about 100. And yeah, like that. And now you can see the text more. I'm just going to put a little down. And now pull in your logo. That isn't necessary, but it just looks better. So what we have to do is take black away, but since my logo is also black, I will have to do something different. I'm going to go in color, press right click and add alpha output, and take that selector again and go around your logo. Okay, and that's pretty good. Now pull it onto your other clip and just put it to one of the corners. Doesn't matter which one, just to any corner. Just put it up here. And don't make it too big. About like that. And I'm just gonna make it a little brighter because I can't see it so good. That. For this week's tutorial, and see you next time.